Mexico. Every time I think I know you so well, you manage to surprise me. As I travel my beloved country, I'm greeted by familiar scenes everywhere I go. Magic, sleepy colonial towns, sun-soaked, happy beach destinations, vibrant, thriving cities full of life. But I always find it so exciting to get off the beaten path to really get to know a place. Oh no, we're gonna take him to the river, come. Today, we're leaving the familiar behind in search of new adventures.
Hey, hola, Pati.
I'm meeting up with local guide Daniel Romero to follow him up into the mountains where few outsiders have ever traveled before.
How do we go? Do we walk? Do we hike?
Here in Jinetes, miles and miles from the rest of civilization, the Machado family appears to be stuck in time. And they're holding on to a most valuable treasure. Traditional family recipes that have been passed through one generation after another, untouched.
So it's a family town.
And the Machado family welcomes me with a feast. The softest corn tortillas made with fresh masa, rich masa dumpling and bean soup, and one of Mexico's most loved recipes, capirotada, the way the Machados have been making it since anyone there can remember.
It tastes like passed down tradition.
In my kitchen, recipes inspired by my adventure in the mountains. I'm making a take on that masa dumpling soup with a hearty pinto bean base.
This is truly a taste of the countryside of Mexico.
My take on capirotada, a sweet and savory bread pudding, layered with toasted bread, caramelized plantains, juicy mangoes, crunchy peanuts, salty crumbled cheese. And it's all drenched in an oh-so-sweet piloncillo syrup. The contrast in flavors and textures is what makes the capirotada so addicting.
I think America is ready for the next bread pudding.